Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. So let's start. This will be a very quick tutorial. After importing your footage into After Effects, drag it here, to create a new composition. First, let's add a little noise to our footage. Create a new adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for noise. Apply it to your layer. And change the amount of noise to 14%. Create a new solid. Use this code to get this green color. Change its blending mode to multiply. The final step will be to add those horizontal lines which are visible in the night vision mode. To achieve this, search for Venetian blinds. Apply it to your footage layer. Change the transition completion to 3. The direction angle to 90 degrees. And the feather to 10. The night vision effect is not so difficult to create, but it can give a nice touch to your videos. Let's see our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a night vision effect in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn.